back to the driveway. All right, so we're back at it once again on the old second gen. So we've hit a bit of a snag, I guess you could say, when it comes down to more power, more heat, more fuel. So in our quest to get faster at the track, create more power, we're going to, let's say, change a few things. Like I told you guys in the previous video, we're gonna be doing some EGT testing. All right, so in order for us to lower our EGTs without changing a charger right now, contacted our guys over at Pusher and got a little 3.5 inch mega pipe kit, and I'm already running their 3.5 inch on the hot side, so this is on the cool side. Now again, you can get their whole kit and also run their twin ram style intake piping and the intake horn. This one right here again is the single style, but again 3.5 inch. So we're going to be doing a bit of a step-by-step on a time lapse of sorts on installing that kit. Now again, nothing really super difficult here, just removing of your stock intake horn, all your clamps and your tubing, get down to your pipe and all the way back down into the intercooler. So again, not a difficult job, but again, we'll go ahead and put it on a time lapse. We'll do the install and we're going to go ahead and test it like we do everything out here. I don't believe in just putting a part on and just calling it done. So hopefully once we're done and completed, we get back out on the road, we see some lower EGTs again. All right guys, so here's a little bit of a display here. So once you've removed the intake horn and the intake piping, you want to go ahead and, like I said, take a look at everything. But yet the biggest thing here is take a look at the size difference right there. The one on the left obviously is a stock intake horn. Well, this is a stock Pusher intake horn, and this is the 3.5 mega. And again, here's your intercooler pipe that's stock, and then you have the Pusher 3.5 inch. Sizable difference there. So with any luck here, we're going to see hopefully some more airflow, cooler airflow, and also again with any luck, lower EGTs. This right here is, again, we're just trying to get everything kind of in prep for a possible new charger on the channel. So with the kit, you're going to get pretty much like factory style hardware, really good fasteners. You're going to get some MPT style plugs that you're basically going to thread into the new intake horn. As you can tell, they have a 4-port setup on this guy right here. Most of the ones, if you just get a change or an upgrade for the intake horns, they only give you 2, as you can see there. What you want to go ahead and do is, like anything else, you want to go ahead and put a little Teflon tape on those, torque them down. And again, the cool thing about it is you don't have to tap a manifold to put a boost gauge on there. If you're trying to run nitrous, you can go ahead and run your cylinder, or you can run your nozzle right off of there. I mean, it's just a really great setup there. All right, guys, so after you've done installed the 4 MPT plugs, a little Teflon tape, you want to go ahead and remove and install the new supplied gasket that's going to basically go right where your intake horn was. And there's going to be 2 studs that they want you to install, both of which are on the driver's side. And again, this is all going by what the instructions say, so we're just trying to make it so this is a quick and easy install for you. So we'll go ahead and start doing reassembly. All right guys, so just a little extra added notice here. There's going to be 2 bolts you're going to retain, and you're going to utilize the factory supplied washers they send in the kit. And as far as the studs go, there's going to be a longer threaded portion of it and a shorter threaded portion of it. The shorter threads for your 12-24 valve trucks, that's pretty much going to be the one that's actually engaging into the head. The longer threads will be the ones sticking up that you're going to install the factory nuts. so we're back in the truck here. We've seen the installation through the time lapse there. The only thing I can tell you that's a little bit of an extra you might want to add into your kit. The original intercooler clamp, it goes into the actual, for the boot for the intercooler, you do have to reuse that. So if yours is a little, you know, let's say worn out, or it's just rusted over, make sure you go ahead and add that one to your kit on purchase. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and test drive it, and I'll get back to you guys, and we'll do another check and see what our boost looks like, and if our EGTs went down. So. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and give it a rip. Hopefully I got a little bit of space here, and we'll see how she does. So just hang on. Here we go. Alright, so may have seen a little bit of an increase or a drop in overall EGT for the same kind of run time, I guess. But you know, she felt like she felt pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look again, see what the boost pressure looks like. Kind of hard right now. Not really any real room to run here, so we'll have to do some further testing and see what we get out of it. Check back with you guys at the house. All right guys, so made it back to the house here. I think during our run, prior to the filmed run right there that you just seen, yeah, I kind of blew off one of my intercooler boots during that whole run, because I looked back and we were at like 1600, and we were right around 30 or almost 40 pounds of boost, maybe about 35 pounds of boost, so that's just too low. But found the issue pretty quick. You can see there, the boot kind of slipped right between the clamp. So I got some repairing to do here, and like I said, then we'll have to retest and see how she goes from there. So thanks for watching. Again, the kit from Pusher you can get right off of pusherintakes.com or dieselautopower.com. Link and everything will be in the description below, and catch you guys in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.